Okay, so what's happened is I think they failed inspection twice, and they had to come in. They came in and dug it once, failed again. They had to dig way deeper because it's on a hill. They had to we had to read all the papers and all that. We didn't have to do anything, but after 2 more attempts or whatever, they had passed inspection. Now we are building. They came in today and poured. This is really deep in there, maybe 4 or 5 feet. Poured this concrete. I guess it's a base layer, I don't know. That's going to be our patio right here, and we now have this base layer. I'm going to, yeah, it's kind of messy. But yeah, so we have, I guess we have this outer wall base layer now, and then I guess they'll come in and, I don't know, it seems high, doesn't it? I guess they'll build the walls and then they'll put more concrete in. But this was a whole day's worth of work coming back again and doing this. This is the part now. Ooh, shall I?